It's only 45. What's up? Did you see George? Oh, I was waiting for. Usually when I wait for you, he comes around over there. Yeah. Yeah. Every time I what? Yeah. Yeah. I am careful. Like I stay away from them all the time. Yeah, because one of my neighbors who wake up really early, and he told me to be careful in the dark whenever I'm out recording you guys. It was when I used to record George a lot in the dark at my house a long time ago. Yeah, you remember George used to do this route at my house? He used to do that, but now he got a new one because Jesus came in. What? No, I said no. George got a new route because Jesus came in. Yeah, Jesus got this route. Yeah, it was like around like 2022, around February. Yeah, and I remember Jesus' old engine. He used to have an engine like you, but now he got a loud one. Yeah, his engine got replaced in. Yeah, well, well, I start school like at 7:30. I do, yeah. Yeah, I know. Alright. Alright. The recycle's still full. I don't know where George is at. If 2046 has a different driver, I wish I was able to record it, but it sounds like I can't because I have school, so yeah. It's my blood again.